Hello everyone, myself Rahul Anand from Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management, first year. Today we will talk about the 10 most popular dishes from Chhattisgarh, and the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Chhattisgarh is popularly called as the rice bowl of India, and rightly so, as rice heavily dominates the Chhattisgarh food. The food cuisine of Chhattisgarh is influenced by its neighborhood state Jharkhand and their food cuisine. So let's explore some most popular dishes from Chhattisgarh. First is Shila. Shila is flat chapati like dish which is prepared with the rice batter mixed with the urad dal. The dish is very easy to cook and is very delicious in the street. Shila is an important part of the breakfast meal of people in Chhattisgarh. Second is Para. Para is one of the most famous and healthy breakfast of Chhattisgarhi people. Para can be also known as Chhattisgarhi dumpling, which is prepared with rice and as its main ingredient. It is made in the form of a dumpling with minimum spices and coriander leaves that add the best flavor and aroma to the food. Next, we will talk about Amad. Amad is considered Chhattisgarh sambar. It is originated from the region of Basta. This cuisine is a wholesome Chhattisgarh food that consists of cooking mixed vegetables along with the bamboo shoot. Fourth, we will talk about muthia. These are the tasty and delicious steamed dumplings which are prepared in Chhattisgarh. Muthia is prepared with rice batter. The snack is very famous and it is very yummy in taste. It is very well garnished with sesame seeds and coriander leaves. Fifth, we will talk about pakori. Pakori is made by adding various vegetables and spices, blending well with the Bengal gram flour. The dough is mixed to form balls that are sweet. It tastes best when served with the coriander or pudina chutney. Pakori is simply a healthy alternative for those who avoid the oiliness or oily food. Six, we will talk about the bara. The bara is made from the fermented urad, millet or lentils. It is basically a fritter snack usually made during festival and village fairs. Not much oil is used in the preparation of the bara. A little amount of chopped chilies, fresh coriander and chopped onion are mixed with the bara batter to make it more delicious and authentic. Seventh, we will talk about the sabudane ki khichdi. Sabudane khichdi is usually eaten during the fast, but it is important to make this kind of a dish a part of daily routine. This dish is prepared by adding vegetables and spices to soak sabudana ball, which add delicious taste and perfect aroma to the dish. Adding onions and peanut to this dish will increase the taste of the dish. Eighth, we will talk about the bhajias. It is available in two different dishes. Is mirchi bhajia made with chilies and onion bhajia made with onion. Chhattisgarhi bhajia are popularly for the delicacy due to the perfect blend of spices and aroma. This salty and spicy natured bhajia complements tea for sure, as we all know. Moving to the next, our ninth one is Tilgud. Tilgud is simply a sweet ball which is prepared from sesame seed dipped in jaggery syrup along with roasted peanut. It is also known as Tilke Laddu. Last but not the least, 10th is Kurma. This is also known as kheer in some states. Kurma sweet is prepared with milk and vermicelli. This sweet dish, is prepared by boiling water and adding sugar or jaggery to prepare sugar syrup. Thank you.